this consumer.
Oh, hey, I see a freaking tornado warning in Cerro Gordo.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, emergency management reported. Impact, flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include High Point, Asheboro, Randleman, Archdale, Trinity, and Randleman Regional Reserve Marina. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Randolph, North Carolina.
At 5.
Yeah, I can't. I get that tornado warning for Cerro Gordo.
Imagine fucking Solar Link slow ass tuning.
Cerro Gordo County, Central Iowa.